Hey, what's up, everybody? So here we are. Been having some plumbing issues, as you guys know. So we got the heavy equipment out here, getting ready to change out this cast iron plumbing that has been giving us all types of hell. So here we go. Where did he just go with the? Yeah, so they're here dealing with all of that. Hola. Oof. Eesh. Okay, so we're taking out the cast iron. The cast iron is damaged, replacing that with the PVC. As you can see, we got some underground issues right here. Sheesh. Come pick up the trash. Ooh-wee. We got our work cut out for us, but hey. And there we go, part 2, day 2. Look at how they're looking. So it looks like the problem is coming from right here. I think that's pretty obvious. We got sewage coming out of the coming from the main drain right here. We got trash in here, of course. How you doing? Okay, so day 3, I think we're done here, or that is what they claim. Obviously, we'll need to do some landscaping in these areas, but I have to admit that I'm not seeing any waste coming out of the ground, which is a good sight. So I think that we got the job done. And you know what we ended up doing was, I mean, the problem initially was with this clean out right here, and also there was a cast iron pipe right here that posed an issue. That was posing an issue for us, and then we had that cutout right there where the main line goes all the way off the property. But we ended up just replacing everything, all the cast iron across this entire side while we were here. Just go ahead, just go ahead and just replace everything, because the cast iron is going to continue to keep causing issues. It's just old, brittle, has the likelihood of being damaged again. So yeah, and they also installed more clean outs as well, so that if we do have any clogs in the future, put 2. That's great. So these are new, and looks like they brought that one forward, which is great. So if we have any more clogs, we can get to them without having to dig up the entire system. So for right now, I'd say it looks pretty decent. We'll see how things turn out with time, of course. We haven't gotten any requests from the homeowners, so that is, the tenants, so that is always a good thing. And I don't smell any waste, which is also a great thing. I'm gonna have my landscaping guys come now and work on this area here. Also have waste management come pick that up. They just, anyway, so that is what we will do next.